Garden fences are a vital component of any outdoor space. They provide privacy, security, and a boundary between your property and your neighbor's property. Garden fences also help to keep pets and children safely contained within your yard. The first thing to consider when choosing a garden fence is the purpose of the fence. Do you want a fence for privacy or security? If privacy is your primary concern, then a solid fence made from wood or vinyl may be the best option. On the other hand, if the security is your main concern, then a metal fence or a chain link fence with barbed wire may be more suitable. Another factor to consider when choosing a garden fence is the style. Garden fences come in a variety of styles, from traditional picket fences to modern minimalist designs. Some fences are ornate and decorative, while others are simple and functional. The style of your fence should complement the style of your home and the rest of your outdoor space. When it comes to materials, garden fences can be made from a variety of materials, including wood, vinyl, metal, and composite materials. Each material has its own advantages and disadvantages. For example, wood fences are beautiful and natural looking but require regular maintenance to prevent rotting and wrapping. Vinyl fences are low maintenance and durable but can be more expensive than other materials. One popular trend in garden fencing is creating a living fence. This involves planting a row of trees or shrubs along the perimeter of your property to create a natural fence. Living fences are beautiful, eco-friendly, and can provide a habitat for birds and other wildlife. In conclusion, garden fences serve multiple purposes, including providing privacy, security, and defining the boundary of your property. When choosing a garden fence, it is important to consider the purpose, style, and material. With so many options available, you are sure to find a garden fence that meets your needs and complements your outdoor space.